Now you can use the power of AI and ChatGPT directly in your spreadsheets with SheetGPT, a free extension for Google Sheets. In this video, we're exploring the GPTLIST function to generate multiple items at once with AI. Getting started. The GPTLIST is perfect for bulk tasks and list generation. It simplifies creating multiple items based on your input using natural language. Just begin by typing =GPTLIST, followed by your request, including the number of items you want. For example, generate a list of 10 gift ideas. GPTLIST, list 10 gift ideas for a tech enthusiast. Or generate a list of 5 blog titles. GPTLIST, generate 5 blog titles about digital marketing. Or maybe create a series of 20 questions for a survey. GPTLIST, create 20 survey questions about renewable energy. With GPTLIST, you can create bulk content, generate idea lists, build sets of instructions, formulate questions for research, and more. Referencing other cells. In the same way the GPT function works, you can write the prompt into a cell and then reference it from the GPTLIST function. You can also combine a fixed prompt together with the value from another cell using the ampersand symbol. For example, let's suppose you have the B3 cell populated with the name of a country. We can generate a list of places to visit in that country by referencing that cell. GPTLIST, generate a list of 5 popular places to visit in and B3. If you change the value in the cell that contains the country, the output will change automatically too. This is great to create your own templates and automate tasks. Tips for better results. When crafting prompts for GPTLIST, being specific helps. The more details you provide, the better results you will get. You can even specify the format of the output. For example, let's generate a list of the biggest cities in the world and specify to include the number of inhabitants next to each one of them. GPTLIST. Generate a list of the 5 biggest cities in the world and show it with this format: city-number of inhabitants. Experiment with different styles and lengths of prompts to discover what works best for your needs. Bring the power of AI to spreadsheets for free at SheetGPT.ai and unlock a new era of productivity today. If you want to learn more about the things you can do with SheetGPT, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Next up, discover how to leverage the GPT image function for AI-generated images.